Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you the latest bag that I purchased in 2023. As you can tell from the title, it's a Quota bag. And not just the annual Quota bag, it's the Mini Kelly, which is one of the most sought after and hard to get item. This color wasn't on my wish list, but when I saw it in person, it was absolutely beautiful and I had to purchase it. So without further ado, let's unbox it together. Oh, actually, before we do that, I want to share this ring that I recently bought and absolutely adore. So it's from Hermes too. Let me put it on so it's easier to see. So here is how it looks. I really like it and I've been wearing it non-stop since I bought it. This ring is quite unique because it can be worn on both sides. So I can show you. Basically, on this side, you can see that it's like quite dainty, elegant looking. You can actually turn it around and flip it on this side. And then it has more of like a casual look. So basically you have like two rings in one. If you're thinking about adding something to your purchase history for your next Quota bag, or if you're simply just looking for a new ring, I highly recommend this one. And I'll put the name and if I can still find a link from the website on top of the screen. Let's get to the unboxing. Well, of course I have to open it when I got it because I can't wait. But I'm hoping that this is still exciting for you guys to see because I was. And this is just a booklet and this is the shoulder strap. Are you guys ready? So you can see from the handle that it's a blue color. Can you guess which shade of blue this is? All right. Ta-da! So this is the new blue jean color that was released in 2023. So Hermes had this blue jean color a long time ago, but then I believe they discontinued it for a very long time, but then they brought it back in 2023. I wasn't a fan of blue in general, so when my sales associate told me that there's a Mini Kelly available and it's in a blue shade, I hesitated, but you know, like Mini Kellys are so hard to find, so I decided to check it out in person in store. And when I got there and when she opened the box, I saw this color. I was like so happy because the only two blue color that I like from Hermes is this blue jean color and there's another like true navy color that I really like. Some general information about this bag in case people are not familiar. So this is the Mini Kelly 2 and this one is in Epsom leather. Mine is with the gold hardware. If you've watched my previous videos, you probably know that I'm a palladium hardware fan. I actually quite like the gold hardware on this one. Mini Kelly is such a small bag. I feel like the gold hardware makes it even more luxurious and elevated in some way. And since you can see that the hardwares are like so tiny and small, I don't find the gold actually appear to be like too flashy, which can be the case with some bags, in my opinion. So, all right, let's open it up. So I'll show you how the inside looks like. So let's take out the felt. This is the bottom. You can see like how tiny these like little foot are. That's the side, and this is the back. And one thing that I really like about the blue jean is the white stitching. Same as like E-tube, I think it's just such a great combination. It makes the color like more fresh and just gorgeous. All right, so this is the inside. I think this is Swift leather if I'm not mistaken. And inside it's just like one big main compartment and then you have one pretty thin layer right there. So now let me take out the straps to show you. So it comes with a little pouch and still got the plastics on. So here is a strap. These are really tiny clasps and it's very thin. You can see that For my height, I'm 5'5", by the way. I found the strap a tiny bit like shorter when I wear it crossbody, but you can like very easily to find an extender clasp or a chain very easily on the market. That's what I do when I want to wear this bag crossbody. So this is my super quick unboxing today. If you're interested in seeing how much it can hold or how it looks on me, please leave me a comment below and I can make a more detailed review. I hope this video was helpful if you're considering this blue jean color or you're just like thinking about the color for your next bag. I highly recommend this color. I found it to be quite neutral actually and versatile. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!